Okay, let's have a look at this curve. We know its maximum is here. That's a max. And then the minimum is at 2, 4. And that's a min. This would be 2. There's no other place where there's a max or min. And if we wanted to connect these, we couldn't, because we'd have to turn, wouldn't we, to connect them. We'd have a max and a min to connect them. So something must happen here at 1. So at 1, which is here, that's when the bottom is 0. And that's when the function's not defined. So let's put that down here, shall we? That's the value of 1. And so what happens here? Well, if we put in 1.1, you'll have 1.1 squared over 0.1, which is a very, very large positive. So at 1.1 it's large positive. If you put 1.01 here, it's 1.01 over 0.01, isn't it? Which is even bigger still because it's divided by an even smaller number, so it shoots off to infinity. And you can try those values closer and closer to 1 on the positive side. If you try the negative values, so let's try 0.99 now. 0.99, you'll get 0.99 squared on top, and you'll get minus 0.01 underneath. Positive over negative, very, very small compared to that number, so it's going to be negative large, isn't it? So it's going to be down here. So the curve's going to shoot off, and the closer you get to 1 from below, this side, it will shoot off and get larger and larger and larger. And you could try that, for example, with 0.999 for x. You'd have that squared, which is basically 1, over 0.0001, isn't it? With a minus. Basically that number's 1. This is like 1/10,000th. Or is it 0.0001? 1,000th. 0.001. Yeah, I think that's it. So you're talking about huge, minus 1,000 here. So it shoots off to minus infinity, doesn't it? And you can see that with just typing in a few values. So that's what happens either side of 1. Now as x gets large positive, this will be so much more bigger than this one because this is squared. So it will just go up. It will just turn and go up. Like so. And when x is large negative, this will be bigger than this. But it's positive over negative is negative. So it will turn and just go like so. Okay, good. That will do for drawing that curve. We've got the essence of it.